Hi, this is Tara from GCS. Welcome to part 2 of our series on GeoBusiness's route creation features. In the last video, we demonstrated how sales managers can create optimized routes from a desktop interface in the back office. This is a helpful feature for planning routes in advance. However, today we want to show how sales reps can use GeoBusiness to create routes on mobile devices on the spot while out in the field. Currently, I have the GeoBusiness Mobile app viewer open on a tablet. However, the web app works on all screen sizes. The interface is streamlined to facilitate a simple workflow while in the field. It's easy to customize the look and feel of all GeoBusiness web apps. In this example, I'm a sales rep on the road visiting leads. Like our desktop interface, all of my NetSuite records are available from the layer list widget. I can expand all layers to see my available NetSuite record layers. I'm going to select leads, view them in the attribute table, and filter by status. In this case, the status I'm interested in seeing is lead new. Once the filtering is complete, you can collapse the attribute table and the layer list widget. After I filtered the data to show only accounts that are relevant for me today, I'm going to then select the locations that I'm interested in visiting. I do this by clicking on the Directions tool. Once the Directions tool pop-up is visible, I can create a multi-stop route. We'll select about 10 stops for today's schedule. The Directions tool will create a route as I add stops dynamically. There are options for different modes of transportation available in this drop-down menu, such as rural drive time and walking time. Also important to note is the Leave Now menu, which gives you the option to enter your departure time. You can also click options to the right of the Leave Now menu to optimize the order of your stops. Select Return to Start for a round trip, and switch your unit of measurement from miles to kilometers. Before clicking Get Directions, which will create and finalize the route, we need to make sure that Optimize Order is selected here under the Options menu. This will create an optimized route. Now that I have a route with all of my NetSuite data available, I can navigate to my first stop using Waze or Google Maps. After I've completed my first visit, I may decide to continue with the current route or create a new one. As an example, if I'm going through my day, I may come across one of my lead locations that is closed unexpectedly. When I determine that I can't visit them because of that closure, I can then simply go back through my list of stops in the Directions tool pop-up and then X out of the stop that I'm not able to visit, and the route will be reconfigured to exclude it. However, in this case, I've decided that I want to add a new stop to compensate for the gap in my schedule. Let's say this occurred at stop number 7. Rather than Xing out of stop number 7 right away, I'm going to use it as a reference for the Near Me tool, which will show all of my other new leads in the radius that I set. I'll drop the Near Me tool's push pin near stop number 7. Once I run the tool, I can see that there's one new lead in a 5-mile radius. I select the lead, and from the Near Me tool pop-up, I can click Directions to here. This automatically adds the location to the end of my original route. From here, to update that route, I can return to the Options menu and select Optimize Order and return to Start. An updated route is now established, allowing me to fill the unexpected gap in my schedule and continue meeting with leads. This is just one example of the way sales reps can leverage location intelligence to make the most efficient use of their time and resources while in the field. With GeoBusiness Mobile, we were able to overcome an unexpected setback and move forward meeting with leads in an organized and efficient way. If you'd like to learn more about how location intelligence can solve your organization's business needs, don't hesitate to reach out to us at geobusiness.yourdatasmarter.com.